Hello and welcome. My name is Vijay Thomas and I am the CEO of Tangentia. We are a global boutique technology solutions company with operations in USA, Canada, and India, and a proud partner of UiPath. The Tangentia Automation Group, working alongside the Tangentia EDI Group, is proud to launch the Tangentia EDI connector to UiPath. Our EDI connector will easily enable EDI data to be brought into the RPA processes, especially the order and to cash process, as well as the procure to pay processes in CPG, retail, and banking, financial services, and insurance. Enjoy the demo and do not hesitate to contact us for more information or if you have any questions. Now over to Afaq Qazi, our practice manager for RPA and BPM, for the demo.
Thank you, Vijay, for the introduction. Hi everyone, my name is Afaq Qazi and I'll present to you a demo on EDI Connector. As mentioned earlier, this reusable component created can connect to EDI Gateway and extract the details within the invoices. So here we are inside the UiPath Studio. We have our custom connector under the Tangentia folder. The list Tangentia invoices and details. The reason for this is that right now we are connected to Tangentia Gateway and it will list you the invoices and its detail. You can drag drop this to your canvas either on the sequence or the flowchart. I have already done that as a part of the demo. I will show you the properties of it. Now this is a single connector. We don't need any dependency. We don't have any dependency. We don't need to worry about anything. We have the property, 4 input properties. Email and password are required to connect to the right partner to extract the right invoices. The from date and the to date is actually to pull all the invoices between that date range. We will have a look into the variables. So the username is of a type string. The invoice is of a type secure string. This is the from date and the to date of date time. I have used my credentials for dummy purposes, A Qazi at Tangentia, and the date range starting from 1st January 2017 to 2018, and then the credentials here. Now this outputs in two. One is the header, invoice header, and the invoice details. The invoice header usually consists of all the header information of an invoice. Like example, whom are we going to ship to? Who is the shipper? What is the company name? What is the total invoice number? What is the invoice date? What is the invoice amount? And then for each invoice number, we will have the details of the invoice, like the product description, product item code, unit price, unit quantity, then the total price of each product, and then we have those details. So this for loop, the one that you're just seeing here, actually prints our dummy data for you for your purposes. So here is the dummy presented. Now you can use this in RPA to use it to the third party tool. Let me run the demo so that I can show you the output. So here's the output panel. In the output panel, based on our input requirement, we have total invoice count as 5, and for each invoices, so this is the header information. So the invoice date is this, the total amount is this, and these are the details of all the invoices that has been printed. So please, this is directly connecting to the Tangentia Gateway. It's a live environment but connected to the demo. So respective Tangentia clients can actually use their own credentials directly to extract their information. In future, we are going to make the purchase order also live. So that's all about the UiPath EDI connector demo. Thank you very much.